What's cooking, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be an easy recipe for a chicken, zucchini, and pepper pasta. It is so flavorful, yet simple and easy to make, and it's perfect for when you have ingredients in your fridge that you just want to use up. It's also quite healthy, maybe minus the pasta, and it's a great, easy lunch or dinner idea. Stay tuned for the recipe, subscribe to my channel before we start, and now let's get cooking. So let's start by seasoning the chicken, of course, and for that I have one chicken breast already washed and cut into chunks. To this I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, red chili flakes, black pepper, and salt to taste. And also some dried oregano. All of the amounts are on the screen, but if you guys need to adjust any of the seasonings depending on how much you're making, you can of course do that. I'm not going to be making a big amount, so this is just what I'm using. I'm mixing this all up and going to let it marinate for maybe 20 to 30 minutes. It doesn't need a long time. Now let's cut the veggies. I have 2 zucchinis here and I'm just going to cut them down the middle and then cut them into half moon slices. I love adding zucchini to food. It's one of my favorite vegetables. Then I have yellow and red bell peppers from the other day when I made the Mongolian beef. They were sitting in my fridge and I just wanted to use them up. You can use any color of bell peppers you want, guys. And I'm also going to chop 1 small or medium onion. Then I'm just going to chop 6 cloves of garlic. Yes, a good amount of garlic goes in this dish, which really adds that aromatic flavor. So first, I'm just going to cook the pasta as per the instructions on the box or bag, and make sure to salt your water because this is the only chance you'll get to add some salt to your pasta. Now let's heat up a pan and add some olive oil to it. Then add in your seasoned chicken. I'm going to cook this first till it is fully cooked, until all of its own juices evaporate. You want to cook this till it starts to get brown and caramelized. Then remove it onto a plate and set it aside. Let's cook our veggies in the same pan. Add in a good amount of olive oil and let it heat up. And first I'm going to add my garlic and onion and let them cook till they are translucent and they infuse the oil as well. Then add in your zucchini and bell peppers. I'm only going to cook these till they are slightly tender but still have their natural crunch. You don't want mushy veggies in here. Season with some red chili flakes, black pepper, oregano, and dried parsley, and also salt to your taste. These seasonings are so simple but really packed with so much flavor. Toss this all together and let the seasonings marry the veggies. Now to this I'm going to add my cooked chicken. And also the pasta I've already boiled. And then mix this all up. I'm going to squeeze a little fresh lemon to add a freshness to it, and also it will brighten up the dish. our easy and quick chicken and vegetable pasta is done, and it is so great, especially if you already have the ingredients in your fridge and are not sure what to do with them. I'm not going to say this is an Italian pasta dish, but it sure is one of those pasta recipes you're going to love. Make sure to like this video to show your support and leave a comment down below to let me know what kind of pasta dishes you have created in your kitchen. We all have an impromptu pasta dish we make using ingredients we already have. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and thank you for watching, guys. Take care until the next video.